Keto Mortadella and Brie plate recipe. Step 1. Place thinly sliced mortadella along with brie cheese. Get some anchovies. Also get some olives. Don't forget the mayo and pesto. Step 2. Serve with arugula. Also add some fresh basil. Ingredients: 8 ounces mortadella, 4 ounces brie cheese or Camembert cheese, 1 ounce anchovies, 2 tablespoons green pesto, 10 black olives, 1 cup, 2/3 of an ounce, arugula lettuce, 4 tablespoons mayonnaise, 10 leaves of fresh basil.